Hi guys, how are you today? So at the Seaside na kay mamalit ako pots para sa akong mga plants. And it's gonna be another happy and exciting pot session today. Okay, nanata diri sa McDo. So we will be meeting Jimson and in a few minutes, and I think they're together with Rose and Van. So let's hop in. Going to Seaside. Okay, so we just arrived here at the gardening section, and we're happy to see these items here. Look at that, pretty amazing. So we'll just go around and check the items, and hopefully not as budget. Alright guys, so we just got home from Seaside, SM Seaside City, Cebu, and we're done buying our pots. Gamito na to for our plants. And so we will be using that to transfer these philodendrons kay it's been a while nga naka water propagate lang siya, and so I think it's time to place them, put them inside the soil na gyud iyang medium kay medyo ni droop na iyang leaves. So mo na siya, and here I will show you the pots that I've bought. I've purchased a total of 7 pots, and if you can see there, kana siya na that's the first pot that I bought last December, and so I decided to buy the same buy pots of the same design para na siya para consistent siya. So I got an additional 3 of them, but this time it's a bit bigger kaya nahutdan na siya og katong gagmay, but still fine. At least I can grow bigger plants in here. So I got 3 of these, and I also purchased another design, black lang siya, and na siya pattern, wooden pattern. So may ang sulod, and it's worth 200, 14 and 75 cents. So wala ko'y gasto actually ani nila kay I used the gift certificate nga akong na accumulate or na earn over the past few months sa office or work sa katumagi panghatag. So I just used that to my advantage, and to buy that to use that GCs to buy these pots. So ni gasto lang ko mga 100 plus kay nilapas man siya sa amount sa item. So I'm so happy and I'm so excited to pot this or to transfer these philodendrons in these pots, and I hope mo bloom pa siya maayo. So just keep posted on my happy pot session nga page, because that's where I will be posting all of our gardening activities. And if you can relate to this kind of obsession, especially in this quarantine time of the quarantine, give it a thumbs up, para, to indicate we are one in this kind of new hobby. So, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I think that's just it for today. And just keep posted, okay? I'll be uploading more planting or gardening sessions in the future, because lingaw karon. So that's it, guys. So keep safe, stay at home, bisan i-lift na ang bisan mag GCQ na starting next Monday, by this Monday. So still keep social distancing and always wear mask, and frequent hand washing para at least ma-minimize atong risk. And I guess that's all for today. Bye bye.